Hey friends, it's Tracy. Welcome to my 2021 Christmas in July crafting series. I wanted to inspire you a bit, do the Christmas in July again. It was a hit last year. So this year is no different. It's complete with the cheesy twinkling lights and my flip-flop Santa. So grab a cold drink and let's get started. So I bought some, just cut off the yard from Walmart and made the little hat for that. For the beard, I'm using some of this yarn from Hobby Lobby. I'm using the polyfill batting to bulk up my little hat. I used an ornament for the nose and some foam board to kind of tie everything together. I started with one of these Santa hats from the Dollar Tree. I just took off all of the tinsel. I didn't worry about the nubs around the edge or anything. I just covered all of that up and covered this with fleece. To bulk it up, I choose to use some of this extra loft batting, just quilt batting, and it's just the small, and it just gives some stability to my little project. So for my fleece, like I said, I was unable to find any of the scarves at the Dollar Trees that are near me, so I just covered this with a little fleece. I just cut it for the shape of that. And then I have this foam board that I just traced the hat and just kind of fussy cut it around, and I just painted the back and the front because that is what is I'm going to glue everything to, for my little gnome. For the nose, I'm just using an ornament from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to glue that right there underneath his hat. This is the yarn I decided to use. It is from Hobby Lobby. It's by Yarn Bee. Showstopper Sleepy Sky is the name of it, and I just thought that it looked really good because I liked, Santa to have a gray beard. Anyway, so what I did is I just took that yarn and just tied a knot in it and then just cut it off, and then I'm going to glue those knots onto my foam board to create the little beard for Santa. So I didn't realize that I didn't hit record, but what I did is I just glued my Santa hat to the foam board just using some hot glue, and then now I'm just laying out my little beard kind of to see where I want to place them. I kind of had them a little shorter on the sides, and then it got longer in the middle. And then also I just hot glued the ornament to the foam board, and then I should have put it a little bit underneath his hat, but I forgot to do that. So if you do recreate it, make sure that you cover the nose a little bit more with the hat. That's one mistake that I made that I wish, but I already had everything glued down, but it's all right. It's a learning experience. Anyway, so then now I am just going to just put the like Santa beard and then hot glue everything down. Then I just covered any holes that may need additional yarn. I just added more yarn strands to fill up the little holes. To make a hanger for my little Santa gnome to hang, I have just some wire, and since the backing is foam board, I'm just punching some holes in there and gonna slide that wire in the back, and then to kind of cover it up, I will cut a piece of felt and glue all of that down. After this was all finished and I was taking pictures, I realized that I didn't cover up the nose as much as I initially wanted to. So if I were to recreate it, I would definitely cover up more of his nose to give him that gnome look. Anyway, but I'm pretty satisfied with the way that this turned out, and I hope that you like it too. Please give me a